Hi! It is day 7 of Jenny's countdown to Christmas, and this is my mother again. And I put 7 on the top. It's Monster 1 and Monster 2. All right, it's small, it's nimble. I think it's a pen.
Ready?
Yeah.
I want to see what it is.
Oh, are they friction pens?
Ah,
What's
fabric
this?
markers. There's something else in here.
There's fabric markers and fabric to label your quills.
Oh,
And they're in Missouri Star colors. How appropriate.
I love it.
Meow.
That is so cute. Well, that is day 7.
Yay!
We'll see you tomorrow.